Hello everyone, this is Frits for another Patch Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the downsampling effect by using step 8. So we're listening to a filter 8 now, which is being sequenced by the left step 8. You can just hear a nice sine wave. So this is the raw audio that we will downsample. We're going to take the output that we're listening to and patch it into the input of step 8. Then we take the output of step 8, the scan output of step 8, and patch it back to our output module. I'm patching it through delay 1 now just to give it some more effect into the end of this patch. So now we can't hear anything. We put step 8 in cycle modus, solo and sample modus. And yeah, we can't hear anything. But now we're going to use another filter 8, which we're going to use as a clock to clock step 8 with. We're going to do this. Still nothing is happening because filter 8 has a very high frequency range and now the frequency is too fast, but when we slowly move it down, we get our sound back. So now this sounds almost exactly the same like I showed you before without passing the sound through step 8. But if we lower the frequency of the second filter 8, you will hear aliasing, and this is the downsampling effect that I want to show you. Like you can hear, you can almost completely distract the sound with it. Once you raise the frequency again from the clock that's clocking step 8, you can almost let the aliasing sound disappear. Like here, I can't hear it at the moment. So what we're hearing is a bit the same like sample rate on a computer, like 16, 32 or 24 bit, but we can use them in a creative way if we want. So like you can hear again, I'm downsampling the sounds. You can experiment with everything in the input of step 8, like really whatever you want to use. And now we're gonna entertain this patch a bit more. I have one contour that's getting triggered every time this step 8 makes one round, so every 8 steps this contour is getting a trigger. And I'm gonna patch this into the exponential FM input of filter 8. So every 8 steps this contour gets triggered and it will modulate the filter that's clocking step 8. So now we have a kind of voltage controlled downsampling. And then I did a trick with root 4 that I trigger another contour but only every 16 steps, so to get a little bit more variation in this patch. And I'm gonna patch this into the volt per octave. And like you can hear, it's very nice to entertain your patch this way. Let's add some delay from delay 1 to make the sound a bit more interesting. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you today. I wish you all the best and see you next week.